Well, I like standing here, but we're on a vacation at Florida, so I think there's going to be a little bit of a storm because I just felt a raindrop. Oh, that's not good. And the news said it's going to be a bad storm. Bad storm. So I guess we have to brace ourselves because this is actually our island. This is a don't move challenge. So wait a minute. Something's going on here. That tells me it isn't rain. But it is. I know, but it's going so fast. Uh-oh. What's happening? I don't know. I don't know either. Wait a minute. The water is everywhere. Is that a flood? Pretty sure it is. Oh. Well, I think I'm gonna win this don't move challenge. No, I am. No, all of us are. But then how will that happen? Well, I think we have to quit the game. So I get so I win? No, I win. No, I win. Oh my gosh. We're going back to this conversation again. Okay. We're gonna keep playing this game and see who will fall off. There's a lot of rain. Oh gosh, you're getting like tumbled by rain. Oh, okay. Ah. What's happening? We're shifting. Oh my gosh. Whoa, the rain is so powerful. Oh my gosh, it's so powerful. Oh my gosh, this is so bad. What's happening? Uh-oh, we're shifting. I'm drowning. What's happening? Okay, why did the rain stop? Where's the rain going? Oh, see you, rain. I didn't like you anyway. Wait a minute. Oh no. Some screws have been untied. Oh no. Where did the screws go? Well, great. We have to stay here. I win this whole game.